Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel to learn today's interesting topic. The topic in today's video I want to talk about is the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, or Boeing Y2, one of the largest aircraft models in the world. It is a twin-engine, wide-body, twin-engine, lightweight aircraft built by Boeing's Commercial Airplanes division. It entered commercial service for the first time in October 2011, used by All Nippon Airways, with a capacity of 210 to 330 passengers depending on the variant. In terms of design, the 787 is the first major commercial aircraft with a composite wing and using synthetic materials in most other frame components. What is composite material? Composite is a type that contains ingredients synthesized from many different materials to create a more perfect new material, higher durability. They have the advantages of high mechanical strength, stiffness and good bending along with weather tolerance, anti-aging, high UV protection, good insulation and heat insulation. In addition, this material also has high chemical and corrosion resistance, no need for anti-corrosion coating, investment in production equipment and low maintenance costs. Therefore, it is often used in large fields such as building missiles, aircraft, tanks, etc., despite the high cost of raw materials and time-consuming processing. Going back to the design of the 787, each 787 contains about 35 tons of carbon fiber reinforced polymer, made of 23 tons of carbon fiber. Among composites, carbon fiber has a higher strength-to-weight ratio than conventional aircraft materials and makes the B787 a lighter aircraft. In particular, the 787 can also be fitted with two different engines, Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 and General Electric GEnx 1B. This ability saves time and costs when replacing the engine. Along with the difference in fuselage design, the Boeing 787's engine is also an aspect worth discussing with the application of noise reduction technology to the engine. These include an air inlet containing sound-absorbing materials and exhaust caps with a ridged tooth pattern on the rims for greater comfort and blocking up to 60% of noise inside and outside the cabin. The 787 uses a fly-by-wire control system similar to the design of the Boeing 777. The cockpit features a multifunction LCD display that uses a graphical user interface widget toolkit. Industry standard drawing. Boeing is considering integrating a forward-looking infrared camera into a future HUD to sense heat, allowing pilots to see through clouds. From such designs and engine performance structures, Boeing has released many variants of the 787 with enhanced features and functions. The first is the Boeing 787-8. With a capacity of 242 passengers and a range of 13,621 kilometers, the first base model of the Boeing 787. Next is the Boeing 787-9. With the same wingspan design as the 787-8 but lengthened and enhanced with a 6.1 m longer fuselage and a maximum takeoff weight of 24,700 kilograms, with a capacity of 280 passengers. Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner. And worth mentioning is definitely the Boeing 787-10, the largest aircraft in the 787 family with the longest fuselage 68.28 n. With standard configuration, Boeing 787-10 can accommodate up to 330 passengers. This is 36% more than the capacity of the 787-8 and 14% more than the capacity of the 787-9. The aircraft can also carry 40 cargo containers in the underfloor storage. Despite its many design and engine advantages as well as its huge capacity, the Boeing 787 also encountered a series of fire incidents in the United States and Japan. This shows the need to find out the cause to fix the repair from Boeing as well as affirm the safety of the Boeing 787 against the safety principles in the aviation industry. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any more information or like the content I share, please comment and click like for the video.